Here I have Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number of the following device. Let me show you all methods of that operation. At the very beginning, let's start by using a secret code. So let's open the phone's dialer right here. Here you have to input *#06# and as you can see the IMEI number and the serial number just pops up. You may also use the barcodes to this number. So if you would like to quit this window, let's just tap OK and let's go back to the home screen. Here let's just open the list of all applications, choose settings. Let me show you how to find this information in settings list. So scroll down, choose about phone. Here you have to choose status, and as you can see here you've got the serial number. You can also find here the Wi-Fi MAC address and the IP address. If you would like to have the IMEI information, let's choose IMEI info, and here you've got the information about your IMEI. What's more, you can also have access to your IMEI and to your serial number by using the back of the device, and right here you've got information about your IMEI and serial number. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.